Hello student, welcome back in the video of digital electronics. In this series we are familiar with the Boolean algebra and the logic gates. In the previous video we are learn about the AND gate. Now in this series we are proceed to OR gate. OR gate perform logical sum of two or more inputs, or it is perform the summation in the digital electronics. This is the symbol of OR gate. The input with two input, that is the A and B, and this is the Y, that is the output is A plus B. Okay, and what is the circuit diagram? Circuit diagram, it consists the diodes and the resistors. Diode DA and diode DB for the input A and input B respectively, and we are get the output as this terminal Y equal to A plus B. Okay, when we have two inputs A and B, it means we have four combinations of these two inputs. Means when A and B both are low value, that is 0 0, and both are high value, that is 1 1, and to another case in which A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, whereas A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Okay, in the circuit diagram, when A and B are at low logic, or we apply to 0, okay, it means DA, that is the diode A, and diode B both are open circuited or reverse biased. Okay, and the output is 0. We are get the output as a Y terminal is 0. Next one, if A and B, A is high and B is low, then diode DA is active or in forward biased, and we get the output is high level. In another case, when B is high and A is low, we get the same output, that is a high. Or in case of A or B both are high, that diode DA and DB both are forward biased, and we get the output is high logic. According to this circuit diagram, we get the truth table for the two inputs OR gate A, B, that is the two inputs, and Y is output. 0 0 we get the 0, 0 1 we get the 1, and 1 0 is 1, and 1 and 1 is 1. Similarly, if we design the truth table for 3 variables or 4 variables, we can simply A, B, C, 3 variables, and we get the output is Y. When A, B, C, all the 3 inputs are 0, then we get the output is 0 or low logic. If any one input is high, we get the output is high. Okay, next one is switching circuit. This is the switching circuit or circuit diagram A and B that is used in our applications. That is the diode A, diode B are conduct in parallel. If we apply the 0 0, both are reverse biased, and output is 0. When anyone is high, we get the or bulb is blue, and both are high, the bulb is also blue. This symbol is OR gate with AND inputs, and that is output, and the Y output we can write as A plus B plus C plus so on. Okay, what is the OR gate pulse trend? If we have A or B in this form 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1, that is 0 0 0 1, next 1 1 0 0 and 0 0. In the OR gate, if all the inputs are 0, we get the output is low level or 0. So clear, that is a 1 1 1, this is 0 1 1 0 and 0. Okay student, I hope that is very clear. Next gate is NOT gate. This is the basic gates. We are familiar, or we are learned about the basic gates. First of all, AND gate. Next one is AND gate. First one is AND gate, next one is OR gate, and third one is NOT gate, or we can say it is inverter, because it invert the input in the output. If we apply to 0, we get the output is 1. If we apply the 1, we get the output 0. It performs the inversion operation. It is also known as complementer, or change high level to low level, or vice versa. This is a single input Okay, single input, so it is used if we input A, we get the A bar. This is a symbol of NOT gate. And the circuit diagram, ABZT, that is the transistor, common emitter transistor. If we input applied 1, we get the output is 0, because this transistor goes into saturation, and we get the output of this terminal is low level, or we can say 0. If A equal to 0, then transistor is cannot forward biased or active. It is in off condition, or second or we can say cut off condition, and we get the output is high level. So it is work as a inverter. If we apply to 0, we get the 1 or high logic. If we apply the high level 1, we get the 0 level. This is a truth table. A and Y output, single input. Okay, 0 and 1, because it is a single input. So how many combination are there? 2 to the power 1 means 2 combination are there of the input. A should be 0 or 1. If we apply to 0, we get the 1. If we apply the 1, we get the 0. Okay, this is the switching circuit. This is the NOT gate. This is the applied voltage, and this is the bulb. If A equal to 1, it means the circuit is closed, and this act as a closed circuit. Okay, and the output of this is 0. And if A equal to 0, this means switch is off. We get the bulb is blue. This is high level. Okay, open circuit, this is act as a open circuit and short circuit. If A equal to 1, means this circuit is closed and act as a short circuit, and across to short circuit we get the 0 voltage. Okay, and open, then full voltage is get at the terminal of bulb. Pulse trend, if it is very easy, A and pulse trend, that is the Y equal to A bar, just opposite of this. Next one is universal gates. Universal gates are the logic gates which have the property that any combinational circuit or digital system can be implemented with a collection of just these two gates, that is NAND gate और NOR gate. Means यूनिवर्सल गेट की हेल्प से हम कोई सा भी बेसिक गेट्स, कोई सा भी डिजिटल सर्किट, कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द यूनिवर्सल गेट्स. दीज आर टू टाइप, दैट इज द NAND gate and NOR gate. First one is NAND gate. NAND gate, see student, this is the combination of AND plus AND gate. Means it is a combination of two gates. First of all NOT gate, and for NOT gate, and this is the AND gate. Okay, it used two gates, NOT gate and AND gate. This is the symbol. We can construct or design the AND gate first, and the bubble, it denote the NOT gate. So it is the equivalent to NAND gate. The output equal to Y equal to, because AND gate output is A dot B, and using the NOT gate we get the A dot B ka bar. Okay, this is the output of A dot B ka bar. When all the inputs are high, the output is low. NAND gate is just opposite to AND gate. We can construct the truth table A, B and the Y output. When A or B is 0, 0, according to AND gate we get to 0, but according to NAND gate we get to 1. 0, 1 and 1, 0 combination we get also 1 and 1. And both the inputs are high. 1, 1 means output is 0, because it is operation of NAND gate. Similarly, we can construct the truth table for three variables A, B, C and Y. It means in this symbol A, B and one more input is there, that is C, and we get this truth table. Next one is pulse trend. Pulse trend is when we have the two inputs A and B, and we get the output Y according to our truth table. Okay. Next one is, this is a special case. We are first go through NOR gate. It is the combination of NOT gate and OR gate. NOR gate. It is the universal gates and combination of NOT and OR gate. So simply, first of all, we design the symbol of OR gate and then put the inverter, that is the NOT gate, and it become the NOR gate. The output of OR gate is A plus B and NOR gate is A plus B ka bar. Okay. So using this we can construct the two table A, B and Y output. When both the inputs are low, we get the output is 1, because 0 plus 0 is 0, but 0, the complement of 0 is 1. 0, 1, the sum 1, but complement is 0. 1, 0 is also 1, but complement of 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is also 1, but complement of this is 0. And according to, if we have two inputs, that is A and B, we are get the output, that is A plus B complement, that is we can say output, that is Y. 0 plus 1 is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 0 is again 0, 1, 1 is 0, 0, 0 is 1, 1, 0 is 0, 0, 0, and next one 0, 0 is 1. This is the NOR gate. So in this video we are basically familiar with the universal gates, जो कि किसी भी कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट हो या डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट हो उसे हमें डिज़ाइन करने में हेल्प करता है. बेसिक गेट्स हम इसे डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड यूनिवर्सल, जो कि हर जगह काम आए. यूनिवर्सल गेट्स, दैट इज़ द NAND एंड NOR गेट. Okay students, first of all we read about the AND gate, then OR gate, then NOT gate, and combination of AND or NOR gate we are familiar with NAND and NOR gate. Okay, this is the basic universal gates are completed. In this series we have the exclusive, that is the XOR or XNOR gates. Okay, first one is XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. These gates are special gates. The output remain low if both inputs are high or low. Output of XOR will be high if only if one of the input will be high. See here students, this is the symbol of XOR gate. It is quite different with them OR gate. OR gate have the A and B and this connected here, but in the XOR gate this gap is present here, that is A and B connected to this type of line curve, and this curve was connected to OR gate, and this is the bubble, that is the OR gate means, and this is the symbol of XOR gate, A XOR B. Okay, and the what is the function of XOR? We have the high output when any one of the input should be high. When both the inputs are low, that is 0 0 or 1 1, low or high, we are get the output is always 0. यदि हमें दो इनपुट हैं और वो दोनों 0 हैं, A और B की वैल्यू 0 है या फिर 1 है, तो हमें आउटपुट में ऑलवेज 0 ही मिलेगा. इन केस ऑफ XOR गेट, ओके, वी आर फैमिलियर विद प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ XOR गेट. बट यदि दोनों में से एक भी हाई हुआ, मीन्स 0 1 या 1 0 है, तो हमें आउटपुट ऑलवेज वी गेट द आउटपुट इज हाई लॉजिक और 1. See the truth table for this A, B and the Y output. This means 0 0, we get the 0 because both inputs are low, or both inputs are high means 1 1, A or B are 1 1, we get the 0. But in case of 0 1 1 0, we get the output is always high, that is 1. If A or B, given the pulse trend of A or B, and we get the output pulse trend for XOR gate according this truth table. This is the symbol of XOR gate. Next one is opposite to XOR is XNOR gate. So we put the bubble here and bar is here. A XOR B का complement is called exclusive or NOR gate or XNOR gate. What happened? It is just opposite to XOR gate. When the input are 0 0 or 1 1, both the inputs are 1 1 or 0 0, we get the output is 1, and we have the output or inputs are 0 1 or 1 0 combination.